Bitcoin price prediction. BTC nears $62,000 amid Fed's hawkish stance and PPI report. CPI ahead. Arslan Butt last updated. May 15, 2024 313 EDT 4-minute read. On Wednesday, Bitcoin traded at $61,949, up 0.65% as the Federal Reserve's hawkish stance on interest rates impacted its price outlook. Concerns over inflation and higher interest rates have dampened investor sentiment toward cryptocurrencies. The recent U.S. Producer Price Index PPI report, which met expectations, reinforced the anticipation of prolonged high interest rates. The upcoming Consumer Price Index CPI release will be closely watched for further insights. Fed's hawkish stance and U.S. PPI's impact on BTC price. The Federal Reserve's hawkish stance on interest rates is significantly affecting Bitcoin's price outlook. Concerns over inflation and the expectation of higher interest rates have dampened investor sentiment towards risky assets like cryptocurrencies. The recent U.S. Producer Price Index PPI report, which met expectations, further reinforced the anticipation of prolonged high interest rates. In April, the U.S. Producer Price Index PPI rose to 2% year-over-year, aligning with expectations. Core PPI, excluding food and energy costs, increased by 4%. These figures provide more justification for the Federal Reserve to maintain higher rates for an extended period. Investors are closely monitoring statements from Federal Reserve officials. Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester has expressed a desire to begin tapering asset purchases. However, the Fed appears to be taking a cautious approach to the economy, which could pose challenges for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. PPI impact. The U.S. PPI rose to 2% yearly in April, with the core PPI climbing to 4%. Federal Reserve, the hawkish stance on interest rates is dampening investor sentiment. Bitcoin outlook. Higher interest rate expectations negatively impact Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The Federal Reserve's hawkish stance and the inline U.S. PPI data have reinforced expectations of higher interest rates, dampening investor sentiment toward Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin steady ahead of CPI, retail sales, and manufacturing insights. On Wednesday, key economic data from the United States revealed notable changes. The core Consumer Price Index CPI for April rose by 0.3% month-over-month, down from the previous 0.4%. Meanwhile, core retail sales increased by 0.2%, a significant drop from the prior 1%. The overall CPI remained steady at 0.4% month-over-month and showed a slight year-over-year decline from 3.5% to 3.4%. The Empire State Manufacturing Index improved to 9.9, up from 14.3, indicating a less severe contraction in manufacturing activity. Retail sales grew by 0.4% in April, decelerating from the previous month's 0.7% increase. This data collectively suggests a mixed economic outlook, with inflation pressures persisting alongside fluctuating consumer and manufacturing activities. El Salvador mines 474 bitcoins using volcanic geothermal energy. El Salvador has garnered significant attention for its innovative and environmentally friendly approach to Bitcoin mining. Under President Nayib Bukel's leadership, the country is utilizing volcanic geothermal energy to mine Bitcoin, setting a sustainable example for other nations. This method not only boosts El Salvador's Bitcoin reserves but also promotes responsible mining practices. Since September 2021, El Salvador has mined approximately 474 Bitcoins, using just 1.5 megawatts of the 102 megawatts generated by its geothermal power plant. This initiative aligns with the country's national energy and environmental policies, emphasizing a commitment to sustainability in the cryptocurrency sector. Despite initial skepticism, El Salvador's approach has gained global recognition. The country addresses environmental concerns associated with traditional mining by integrating renewable energy with Bitcoin mining. This demonstrates the potential for cooperation between cryptocurrency miners and sustainable energy projects worldwide. Sustainable mining. El Salvador uses volcanic geothermal energy to mine Bitcoin, setting a sustainable example. Increased reserves. Since September 2021, the country has mined 474 bitcoins using minimal energy. Global recognition. El Salvador's method showcases the potential for merging cryptocurrency mining with renewable energy. El Salvador's eco-friendly Bitcoin mining using volcanic energy exemplifies sustainability and boosts BTC reserves. This innovative approach may positively influence Bitcoin prices through increased adoption and environmental consciousness. Bitcoin price prediction. With a bullish Bitcoin price prediction, Bitcoin BTC/USD is trading at $61,949, up 0.65%. On the 4-hour chart, the pivot point green line is at $61,547. Immediate resistance levels are at $63,164, $64,271, and $65,504. Immediate support levels are at $60,275, $59,218, and $58,237. Technical indicators suggest a supportive environment for a bullish trend. The relative strength index RSI is at 50, indicating balanced momentum. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA stands at $61,626, providing further support to the current price. An upward trend line is reinforcing Bitcoin's price around the $61,630 level. On the upside, the next resistance is at $63,165, extended by a downward trend line. Overall, the 50 EMA and RSI both favor a buying trend. Conclusion: bullish of $61,547. A break below this level could trigger a sharp selling trend. You might also like Bitcoin price prediction 2024 secure early. Advantages with the 99 Bitcoins per sale. 99 Bitcoins, a leader in digital education, is transforming the way users learn about cryptocurrency through its Learn to Earn platform. Participants can enhance their knowledge while earning $99 BTC tokens, effectively growing both their expertise and their investment portfolios. The current per sale of $99 BTC tokens is catching the attention of savvy investors, offering an enticing entry price for early participants. Exclusive early access to 99 Bitcoins. This per sale presents a rare chance for early investors to secure $99 BTC tokens at a competitive price of 103 cents each. These tokens are not just a reward mechanism but also provide access to premium content and additional perks within the community. Act fast, limited time offer. To date, the per sale has amassed $1,263,034, progressing towards a goal of $2,036,443. With just over 3 days left until the next pricing stage, this is a pivotal moment to invest in $99 BTC and start benefiting from immediate staking opportunities. Secure your 99 Bitcoins today. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.